Good morning, students. As today I had just interacted with you, the first virtual class with all of you students. Actually, I had been extremely happy with this. Although all students were not with me, okay, but of course, I liked your presence. 13 students were there. I hope from next day you will participate as you are there are the numbers in the class. Okay, whole students will participate. So as I had said, after that I will be sending you video, so you can see here this is exercise 2D. And of course a student asked me problem from this 2D, and I had said I will send you the PDF already I had sent to you. You might have seen also, and even the same PDF I am explaining over here, so you can watch it as I am scrolling the key up and down. You can see, yes. So if you will see, this is exercise 2D, and here there is solution. Okay, let's see the question before explaining you solution. If you will see 9352 plus, fill in the blanks using the properties of addition. Students, if you remember earlier I had explained you different properties of addition. One was commutative property, which is based on only two numbers, and several commutative properties questions are over here. You can watch it over here. This one number, two number, three number is based on commutative property. It is based on two numbers. So you can see in one there is two numbers. In question number 2 there is two numbers, sum of two numbers. In 3 also two numbers. And in question number 4, 5, it is associative property of addition. Associative property is based on three numbers. This all is about order. That is, when we change the order of addition also, what happens? The result do not differ. Like 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and in same way 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So in same way, if you will see over here, it is 9, 3 plus 5, 2. That means 9352 plus 8576 is equal to 8576 plus what number? Of course 9352. So here will be 9352. Okay, you can see in the solution I had written, and after that you will write property also. Actually in solution I had not written the property. You will write over here property. What property? Commutative property. The spelling you want to know of commutative property? Then here, okay, in this I can show you. This was in earlier page of book. You can watch over there and you can write commutative. Commutative, if you will read, you will get just below the one answer. After writing answer, you will give arrow and you will write commutative property. 2 also follows commutative property. Here also you will write answer and you will give commutative property as answer. You can see over here 593601 is at last. So what will be at first? This. That is 1,35,652 will be over here. Are you understanding it? In same way, if you will see here, it is 36789 plus dash is equal to 22295 plus dash. So here 36789 will come, and here 22295 will come. That means 22,295 will be here, and here 36,789 will be there. Now, as I had said, from 4, 1 to 3 is which property? Commutative property. From 4, which property is there? Associative property of addition. This is commutative property of addition. And from 4, there is associative property of addition. That is 453 plus 629 plus 799, these two are added first, then 453 is added. And here 453 and 623, that is these two are added first, and then what will be added? The third number, that is plus 799 we will be writing. Now if you will see question number 5, here it is 1252 plus dash is equal to, what happens here? You can see 666 and 752. So of course in here second and third, this number will be only 666 plus 752, and here in first number it will become 1252. This is all about order. Here we do not have to write any other number, this number only it will be written. And this is the property of 0. What is the property of 0? That is 0 is added to any number, or any number is added to 0, the number do not change. That means to which 0 is added, or the number in which 0 is added, in both the case number remains same. 0 doesn't affect on it. So here also 5883 plus 0 will become 5883 only, no effect on the number. In same way 0 plus what will give 29,573. Of course with 0, in 0 you will write this add this number only, then only you will get this number. So it will be 29,573 here in the blanks. And here also you can see 8357, and here it is 8358. Then how much it has been increased? 1. So you write 1 over here. And here it is 5,29,999, and when it will be added, it will become 5,30,000. So it will be 5,30,000 over here, as you can see in the solution. Yes, 10 number. Yes. Okay, sorry, by mistake over here I had written 0. What you will be writing over here? You will be writing 1 over here, not 0. Okay. Sometimes mistakes happen. I had seen the same 5357 as over here. That is illusion mistake. By mistake I was wrong number. Okay. And here you can see 5. This is 1 and it is 6,000. So 5,999 added 1, then it becomes 6,000, as it is over here. So here by mistake I had kept 0, but not 0 will be there. What will be there? 1 will be there. So keep it in mind. Watch the video and then you do. Those who will not watch the video, they will just say, no, sir has made wrong. That is mistake, not wrong. Okay. Now here it is about subtraction of 5 and 6 digit numbers. Let us recall the method of subtracting 4 digit number as, write the smaller number, that is subtrahend, below, and the greater number, that is minuend, in proper place value columns. Proper place value columns means what? Ones will be under ones, tens will be under tens, hundred will be under hundreds, and thousands will be under thousands. That is proper place value column. And about subtrahend and minuend, both I had given the definition earlier only. The smaller number which is to be subtracted, that is subtrahend, and the bigger number from which the number is subtracted is minuend. Bigger number is at the top and smaller number is at the bottom. Here you can see the second line. Subtract ones from the ones. 1 will be subtracted from ones only, tens will be subtracted from tens only, 100 will be subtracted from hundreds only, and 1000 will be subtracted from thousands only. As if you remember, last time I had explained you one example where two addition were there made by a student A and a student B. Even you can watch in your book if you do not remember. Okay, there the student A was wrong due to keeping the number not in proper place value. So in subtraction also, if you will not keep the number in proper place value, it will become wrong. Okay. Now if you will see, we use the same idea for the subtraction of 5 and 6 digit also. For 5 and 6 digit also same idea. According to the place value it should be. And ones will be subtracted from ones, and tens will be subtracted from tens, and 100 will be subtracted from hundreds. Subtraction of 5 and 6 digit number without regrouping, that is borrowing. How we will be doing? Let's see. Here is the question. Subtract 73,835 from 83,977. Okay. So what it has been done, the numbers had been written according to the place value. Ones is at in ones, tens is at in tens, 100 is in hundredth place, 1000 is in thousandth place, 10,000 is in 10,000 place. Okay, ones is at ones place, tens is at tens place, lower number I am saying. Okay, all are according to the place value. You can see the bigger number is set minuend and a smaller number is set subtrahend. Okay, so if you will see stepwise it has been explained over here. Write 73,835 below 83,977 in proper place value columns. That means below, why? Because this is bigger and this is smaller. Place value, that means in ones will be at ones place, tens will be at tens place, 100 will be at 100 place, and 1000 will be at 1000 place, and 10,000 will be at 10,000 place. And then you subtract the ones at first. 7 minus 5 it will be coming 2, so you will be writing 2 over here. Again subtract the tens, that means 7 minus 3 it will become 4, so 4 we will be writing. In same way 100 we will be subtracting. 9 minus 8 it will become 1, 3 minus 3 it will become 0, and 8 minus 7 it will become 1. In this way you will be subtracting. So you can see exercise 2D I had explained, and after that I had explained exercise 2E. Before that I will be watching the same example completing over here. You can see subtract the hundreds, 100 has been subtracted in the same way. Then after subtract the 1000, 1000 has been subtracted, and then after subtract the 10,000s, and 10,000s had been subtracted, and at last written. Thus the difference between two number is 10,142. Okay, so what you see? We see this is the way of subtraction. Only this you have to show. These remaining things you have to keep it in your brain. No need to write steps everywhere. Okay, so here if you will see exercise 2E, solutions are there, and here questions over here. So subtract is over here in question number 1. As you can see, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Simply you subtract. 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 0 3, 4 minus 4 0, 6 minus 1 5, 5 minus 2 3. Same way I had done over here. You can see all the questions I had written and I had solved. Okay, 6 questions were there in 2E, as you can see just now. In same way here you can see 5 minus 1 4, 0 minus 0 0, 3 minus 1 2, 8 minus 7 1, 8 minus 3 5. How fast it is being? It's very short, and of course you will be easily, as I had done in one page, exercise 2D, 2E and 2F. Of course you don't do in one page only, you use 2 or 3 pages, no problem. Okay, but it is easy. I hope all will enjoy in making such questions. 2 minus 0 2, 3 minus 0 3. What happens when 0 is subtracted? The same number will be there. 8 minus 3 5. You can use finger also to subtract. Suppose if you are not getting how to get 5, then just take out your 8 finger. From there you remove 3 fingers. Yes, and then after you count the remaining fingers, you will get 5 is only there. In same way 9 minus 8 is 1, and 4 nothing is there, so 4 it will be. If you will see over here, 4 minus 0 is 4, 4 minus 0 is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0, 7 minus 3 is 4, 9 minus 1 is 8, 2 minus 1 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, 8 minus 7 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1. And this way you will be doing. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 6 is 2, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is what, how you will be subtracting. You can use the finger. Okay. Now if you will see, I had solved 2F also. Before explaining you 2F, I will explain you text of 2F. So if you will see just below, subtraction with regrouping, that is borrowing when the number is smaller. If you will see over here, 8 is smaller and 9 is bigger. Now in ones place it is bigger. Actually whole number is not smaller, but only ones digit, means ones digit is smaller than subtrahend ones digit. In that case, we borrow from the next digit, and when we borrow, it becomes 10. When tens will take borrow from 100, then also it will become 10. When 100 will take borrow from 1000, then also it will become 10. And when 1000 will take borrow from 10,000, then also it will become 1. That means when we go one step forward, one digit forward, then the carry which any other gives us becomes what? Tens for the previous digit. Okay. Let's see subtraction of 5 digit and 6 digits number with regrouping borrowing. We already know that when the value of the digit at the place in the minuend is less than the value of the digit at the same place in the subtrahend, we borrow one from the next higher place or regroup and make less value of the digit in the minuend larger. Same thing I am saying. When this is a small, then what we do? We are taken carry from tens. Then it will become not 9, it will not become 8 now. Now it will become 18. When one taken carry from here, it becomes 18, not 9. So that you have to understand, 10 times it becomes. When 1 is borrowed from next, then its value becomes 10, not 1. Okay. We use the same process for subtracting 5 or 6 digit number. As you can see example, find the difference between 54,678 and 38,699. Okay, here you can see an icon of a boy. Yes, and here what it has been written, 110 is regrouped to 10 ones. That is from 1 tens we are taking, then in ones we becomes 10. It will not become 8 and 1 9, it will become 18. 10 and 8, 18. 100 regrouped to 10 tens. When from 100 when we take carry 1, then it will become 10 tens. That means when it has given 1 carry, now 6 is left, and again it has taken 1 carry from here, then it will become 16 tens. It will become 16. Not it will become 7. I hope all of you are understanding. 1000 is regrouped to 10 hundreds. 1000, from when 1000 we take carry, then it becomes how much? 100? 10 hundred. Suppose it has given 1 carry to this, then there is 5, and 1 taken over from here, then it becomes how much? 15. That is 1500, not 600, 1500. And 1000 is regrouped to 1000 already I had said, and so on. That means if 1000 will also take carry from 10,000, then it will become how much? Not 3000, it will become 13,000. And here all carry over will be taken. You can see when I will be explaining it step wise. You can see a step. At first compare the given numbers. We have 54,678 greater than 38,699. It is greater, so it will be written at the top, and this is smaller, so it will be written at the bottom according to the place value. Ones will be under ones, so ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 it has been given. Of course, if you will not give, then also no problem, but the number should be according to your place value. Ones should be placed under the ones, tens should be placed under the tens, 100 should be placed under the hundreds, 1000 should be placed under the 1000, and 10,000 should be placed under the 10,000s. As you can see here, it has been placed. Then after what it has been said, write the minuend and subtrahend in the proper place value columns as a place value, as already I had said. Now we will move in next step. You can see our here. Third step, what it has been done. 9 ones, below 9 ones is greater than 8 ones. So borrow 1 10 from 7 tens, leaving 6 tens. From here 1 has been taken, and now you can see this becomes 18, and here left is how much? 6. How much here it has been left? 6. So 18 minus 9 is how much? 9. And now 6 minus 9, it will not go. Yes, you can see over here 18 ones minus 9 once it has written 9. And in second step, what it has been done, from 6 also 9 will not go, so 6 has also taken carry 1 from here. From 100 1 it has been taken, and this 6 becomes 16, because from 1 when we take carry it becomes 10 for the another one. So 16 minus 9 is 7. You can see over here, same thing it has been written. 9 is greater than 6, so borrow 100 from 600, leaving 500 over there. When 1 taken carry, then 5 is over here. Okay, so 100 plus 6 tens becomes how much? 6 tens means 60. So 100 means 10 tens. So 16 tens it becomes. So from 16 tens, 9 tens goes. then it becomes 17. If you will move down, there is step 5. Okay, step 5 about 100. Now if you had seen in step 4, there is 500. Now this 106 is also greater than 5. So again we will take carry 1 from 1000th place. Here remains 3 and this becomes 15. Once taken, then 10 it will become, and 10 and 5 15. So 15 minus 6 is 9, and here remains 3. Now 1000 is also smaller. In the here you can see, subtract the 100. 600 is greater than 500. So borrow 1000 from 4000, leaving 3000. Since 100 below 1 is greater, so I had taken from 1000 and 3 it has been left. Now 1000 plus 5000 it becomes, 1000 plus 500. From 1000 we had taken carry. So in 1000 there is how much 100? In 1000 there is 1000. 1000 is equal to 1000. So 1000 plus 500 it becomes 1500. So 15 minus 6, 9 it becomes. Now here it is 3000. If you will see the sixth step or second last step, what happened? In 1000 place there was 3. So we had taken 1 carry from 10,000 place. So this become 4, 1 given, and it became 4 now. And this becomes what? 13,000, because 10,000 is gone and 3,000 was earlier there. So 13,000 minus 8,000, 5,000. You can see over here, subtract 1000. 8,000 is greater than 3,000. So borrow 10,000 from 5 10,000s. Okay, leaving 4,000 over here. 1,000 plus 10,000 plus 3,000 is equal to how much? 13,000. So 13,000 minus 8,000 becomes how much? 5,000. Now if you will see, this is 10,000. 4, this is bigger and this is smaller. So 4 minus 3 becomes 1. You can see, subtract the 10,000, that is 4 10,000 minus 3 10,000 is equal to 1,000. So carry subtraction are in this way. These numbers, even you, if you want to write, you can write it, or without writing also you can do it in the brain. You should understand that yes, this is being done, and you will keep it in the mind. If it is finding difficult, then write this. Okay, at first you make the habit of doing by writing this, and then slowly you will skip these steps. Okay, now here it is about checking the subtraction using addition. The subtraction which we had made, we can check it again, either that is right or wrong, by using addition. How we will know? Simply you add this subtrahend and the result, the difference. These two, when you will add, then you will get the minuend. If you will get the minuend, then it is right. If you are not getting minuend, then it is wrong. You can see here it has been written. To check whether the difference of the given number is correct, we find the sum of the subtrahend and the difference. The sum should be equal to the minuend. When we when we add this answer, that is difference, with the lower number, that is subtrahend. When we add subtrahend and the difference, then we should get minuend. Then only our subtraction will be right. Now here is example 12. As you can see, subtract 7,29,560 from 8,13,545 and check by addition. What you have to do? You have to subtract, then you have to check by addition. Here you can see, without step it has been written. Step first one is done stepwise, so that you can understand by reading it. Okay, so now let's see, here it has been written 7,29,000. This is from this, so this is bigger. So at the top, 8,13,545 it has been written, and then after 7,29,560 it has been written. So now if you will see, 0 is smaller, so 5 minus 0 is 5. Now 4 is smaller. 4 is a smaller number, in minuend is smaller, so we will take carry from here. It will become 14, and 14 minus 6 is 8. Okay, now when 1 taken carry, then there remains 4, and 4 is also smaller than 5. Then again taken carry from this 1,003, then it became 14, and here remains 2. So 14 minus 5 is 9. Now here remains 2, and 2 is smaller than 9. So again taken carry from here 1. It became 0 over here, and it became 12. So 12 minus 9 is 3. Now 1 already taken carry, 0 is left, 2 is bigger than 0. So 1 taken carry from here, 10 will become 10 plus 0 is 10 only. So 10 will become 10 minus 2 is 8. Now 1 taken carry, then how much left? 7. And 7 cancel. 0 also you can write, or you can leave without writing also. So what becomes the difference? Thus the difference is 83,985. This is difference. And how to check? Simply you add minuend and difference. When you will add minuend and difference, and when you will get, sorry, minuend not, this lower one is set subtrahend. When we add subtrahend and difference and you get minuend, then it is correct. Let's see, the same thing it has been done. Check. At first, what it has been written? Subtrahend. That is 729560 written. Then after result, that is difference. How much? 83,985 written. Okay. Then it both have been added, 0 and 5, 5, 8 and 6, 14, carry 1. So 5, 1, 6, 6 and 9, 15, carry 1. So again 9, 1, 10, 10, 3, 13, carry 1. 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 8, 11, carry 1. So 7 and 1, 8. How much it came? 8,13,545. This is the minuend. This is the difference and this is the subtrahend. So by adding subtrahend and difference, we get the minuend. So here it is written, thus subtrahend plus difference is equal to minuend. So subtraction is correct. Always to check, you have to add subtrahend and difference. If it comes minuend, then the subtraction is correct. Now here it is subtraction with 0 in minuend. If in minuend there is 0, not only 0, that means there are several zeros, as you can see here. 1 has done for you, 1000 is over there. As you can see, we already know that when there are zeros in the minuend, we may need regroup in more than one place. When there are zeros in the minuend, we may need regroup in more than one place. Grouping will be done in more than one place. Let us subtract 376 from 1000. When we subtract 376 from 1000, what happens? Let's see. 1000 is bigger, so at the top, below 376. Now from 0, 6 will not be subtracted. Now again, 0 will not be taking carry from 0. 0 it is itself 0, then how it will give to him? This is also 0, how it will give to him? So from here, it will give 1 to 100, it will become 10. Now from 10, this will take carry, then it will become 9. Sorry, it will become 10 and this will become 9. 100 will become 9 and 10s will become 10. And then after from here, 10s, 1 will be taken in, carried to unit. Then it will become, 1s will become 10 and this will become 19s. So from 10, 6 goes 4. If you will see, the same here it has been shown. Step 1, subtract. To subtract 1s, regroup 1000. Because there are no 10s and 100. 10s and 100 is not there. So 1000 is regrouped in 100 and it becomes 1000. Okay. Then after regroup 1000 as 910 tens. 1 taken carry. So it becomes 900 and it becomes 10 tens. Again what you have to do? Step 3, regroup 10 tens. From 10 tens, what you have to do? You have to take 1 tens to ones. So it will become 9 tens and 10 ones. Okay. So now we will be subtracting 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 3, 6, you can see, and this 0 and nothing is below, so 624 it becomes. Subtract column wise, thus 1000 minus 376 is 624. Verify 1000 minus 567 is same as 999 minus 566. Of course that will be right. Why? Because this is also one more, this is also one more. From one more is being subtracted, and from one less is being subtracted. So it will be right. You can subtract and you can check it. Like from 5, we subtract 4. That will be also 2 only. Or from 6, sorry, from 5 when we subtract 4, it becomes 1. And from 6 when we subtract 5, it becomes 1. That means 1 increased in both places. I hope you are understanding. Okay, now there is less time left, so I will not speak more. I had just fixed my timer at 31 minutes. So whenever the 31 minutes will complete, the video will pause or stop by itself. So students, I will be explaining you further from teacher support, or I will read this, explain the students that they can also solve such problem by subtracting the predecessor of the given numbers. For example, 1000 minus 376 is equal to 999 minus 365 is equal to 624. That means when we subtract one less, then also the answer will be same only, predecessor like it is. Okay, you can check it at your home. When you will make 2 less from there and 2 less from here, then also the result will be same. Okay, so that's all from page number 41. I will be explaining tomorrow, that is exercise 2f. I will be explaining you tomorrow. Till then, do the work, read the text, live happily at your home, help your parents at your home, don't disturb them. Okay, they are also doing several works, might be they are in work from home business. So you should support your parents, you should do your work, and you should help your parents at your home. Thank you, thank you very much. We will meet next day again. Okay, take care. Don't go outside and don't play outside. As you can see, the number of patients are increasing.